My name is Dwayne Vaz, your Member of Parliament for Central Westmoreland. It is time for the word on the street. Today we'll be looking at two critical areas in the constituency. One, Galloway Lane, where there was a serious erosion because of the water running in the road like a river, and that has deteriorated the road significantly. And secondly, we'll be going into the Frame area in Caledonia, where we have had some serious land slippage, where the other day a stone actually fell from the hill and dropped in the windscreen of somebody's car. But we are lucky that they didn't get any personal damages to themselves, but of course the car has significant damages. So we're going to look at those two areas today. So please journey with us as I show you what is really happening. So now we are in Galloway Lane, and as you can see, the serious erosion of the water in the road. The persons actually had to dam the road at this section to prevent the water continuing down the hill. But as you can realize, the entire road has been destroyed. So vehicles cannot come up on this road as we speak right now because of the situation. And what we're going to do is to engage the authorities, persons from the parish council, to come back here with me to look at a suitable solution. The second stop, we're there now, and this is in Frame area of Caledonia. And as you can see on the hillside, we have had significant land slippage. This is the area what I said the stone fell in the person's car the other day. And as I said, the entire area right here is prone to disaster. And we must ensure that something is done immediately. So I'll contact the NWA to find out what can be done. Persons also have been giving their suggestions, but we'll wait on the technical persons to tell us exactly how we move forward in this area. This entire zone right here, as I said, is prone to disaster, and we must do something about it immediately. Thank you for tuning in to the word on the street. Remember to send us your pictures and videos of any infrastructural needs that you know deserves the attention. It is your word from your street. Earlier this week, I donated a mattress and other essential supplies to the nursing department at the Petersville High School. And I want to give props really to the school for the work they have done, especially for the community of Petersfield and surrounding areas after Hurricane Melissa. Because we would all have known that the shelter with the most persons was really at the Petersfield High School. So a lot of sacrifice was made by the school to ensure that our citizens had somewhere to stay after the passing of Hurricane Melissa. And as Member of Parliament, I stay committed to maintaining a close relationship with all the institutions across Central Westmoreland, because we know the important role they play in ensuring the development of the constituency continues in a positive manner.